Hey, this is Sash and Steve with ATC Owners, and we are here today in the forest, but with Jeff Shenk of ATC. Hi, thanks for joining us, Jeff.
You bet, glad to be here.
You hear that you have a big announcement for ATC Toy Hauler owners.
Well, we've had some personnel shifts and so forth here due to COVID-19. We're shifting some resources and shifting some folks, and Dale decided that this was a good time for him to actually go back and return back to his original roots in the sales process and move back to the commercial sales team. So Dale is going to be moving over there and stepping back from the toy hauler sales, still very involved in everything that ATC does. The way it was broken down before is I dealt with the dealers in the Northwest and the Southeast, and Dale did the dealers in the Northeast and the Southwest. And so what's happening now is we're bringing Lori over and shifting again resources. Lori's been with the organization for, I'm guessing, close to 10 years. She's done all kinds of things. She's done inside sales. She's done outside sales. She ran our customer support department. She's been a product manager. I mean, she's got a breadth of experience all around the organization, and she's going to basically be stepping in and taking over where Dale left off with the dealers in the Southwest and the Northeast.
Has your position changed, or has your position is now different now that Dale's moved on to commercial sales?
Not too much. No, my position will still be essentially the same, still working with dealers, still helping bits and pieces with, product development, different things like that. But no, my position really isn't shifting too terribly much.
Folks, but we're going to be seeing you in the ATC Toy Hauler videos moving forward.
Yeah. You'll probably see a bit more of me there. I know I did a few, and I started doing some things there even when I started moving over on the toy hauler side here some time ago. But yeah, you'll probably see Lori and myself a bit more than maybe what you had in the past.
Very cool. Very cool.
Yeah.
What can ATC owners out there expect to see anything different with you and Lori now doing the sales?
I wouldn't think there'd be a whole lot other than you'll see our shining faces, like you said, on some of the social media events, going to the rallies and so forth.
Yes.
But I wouldn't expect any major shift or anything like that in terms of what owners or potential owners are going to see anyway.
We know that ATC currently has production on hold right now. Has anything changed in terms of timeline, in terms of getting things back on track again?
No, well, I mean, yeah, we obviously took a step back there, 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, or something like that, when we had the stay-at-home orders from our governor. But we're scheduled to open up production May the 4th, and we've actually been introducing small segments of production here for the past week and a half, 2 weeks now almost, where we're getting our process, our procedures, our safety procedures specifically in place. It's a big deal. And so what we're going to be doing is reintroducing production slowly, methodically over the next basically 4 to 6 weeks. And I'm very proud to say that ATC is absolutely making the decision to ramp back up based upon employee safety. We've got a lot of orders to build right now, but we can only go as fast as what we can do it safely.
One thing I've always admired about ATC is how you take care of your employees, you take care of the teams, and that makes for a higher quality product, and it also makes for a happier group of people, and that ultimately makes for happier owners.
Yeah, I will say that from our company's founding back like 20 years ago, Steve Brenneman was the chief founder of the company. That's one thing he did extremely well, and it's been a part of our company culture ever since. But it's finding really good people, and it's fun to walk around ATC and you see the caliber of people, whether it be on the production floor, in the office, anywhere. We just have really good people at our organization.
And I was astounded at how many people have been there over 10, over 15 years. Amazing.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's a place where people really stick around, and honestly, it's more than just a job. It's about building careers. It's about doing something that feels important to us. So that's, definitely what a lot of us have been up to.
Yeah, we like that.
Yeah, I look at a lot of the Facebook groups online, other RVing groups, and a lot of people are talking about support from their manufacturers, through the pandemic. How has ATC done in terms of warranty claims and customer support for clients, for customers?
Yeah, good question. I mean, one thing that we have committed to all throughout this pandemic is that we are open for business. Now, one thing that we probably did have to pause on a little bit too was working with our suppliers and things like that. So there definitely was probably a little bit of a lag in some of that. But yeah, our commitment to following through with our warranty is absolutely unwavering.
That's fantastic. And yeah, we all appreciate that as owners.
Yeah,
So,
very
if an ATC owner has an issue with their trailer, they should be calling their dealer right now and to get support going.
Yeah, dealers would definitely be the first point of contact to try to see if you can get any concerns or issues addressed and so forth. But for sure, ATC is standing behind our dealers to make sure that claims get taken care of.
Well, moving forward with COVID-19 into the future, how has this pandemic changed ATC, its policies moving forward?
Yeah, production, I think, probably would be the biggest thing I would say is that, I mean, it's just a different world out there in terms of employee safety and how we need to be able to come back to work. So we're taking it very seriously. But now that we're in the environment that we are, we're very carefully thinking through those types of small decisions, which have big ramifications if not handled well.
Well, so with the economic shutdown across the country, how's the market looking for RVs, in terms of ATC's perspective?
Mm-hmm. I've been pleasantly surprised, would be the best way to say it. Dealers have not been ordering a whole lot of inventory because, dealers are trying to make sure they're taking the conservative path and so forth. But we do track dealer inventories, and dealer inventories have been shrinking pretty rapidly here anyway. So that to me goes to show that no, units are still selling out there. They're not flooding us with orders right now, but that's okay because we don't need a bunch of orders. We've got a strong backlog right now. But no, units are definitely still selling out there in the marketplace, and I've been very pleased with that. So lead times are definitely going out, and production's going to be a challenge, I think, in getting units. But we have a lot of dealers that have, still some decent inventories out there, so that's going to help a lot.
Good, yeah.
Well, can we still look forward to ATC putting out new features and new innovations in their toy haulers this year and next year and so
Down
forth?
the road.
Yeah. Yeah, that's something that we won't change. The way that our typical cycle works is that, we introduce new product there towards the fall. It gets to dealers, sometime there during the middle of winter, and then starting in January, dealers go to the shows with the new product. But that's when we start going to events and things like that. And what it's really about is trying to understand what customers think, what they think about what we've recently done, what they'd like to see us consider doing in the future. And then we bring those ideas back to product development, and then we try to incorporate that into what we bring out in the fall. So yeah, that absolutely has not changed. And we're in the process of evaluating some things right now anyway.
Yeah. Well, so now we'll be in Goshen, Indiana on May 25th, which is Memorial Day. And that's the beginning of the homecoming rally. We're going to be there from Monday to Thursday, May 25th. And I hope that anybody who's seeing this video who hasn't already signed up, come on out. And we're ready to kick off the summer. And we're ready to do it in a safe, responsible manner, but still have a good time. And we want to start our summer camping with ATC.
We're ready to get out and get camping.
Well, thank you so much, Jeff, for your time, for the information, and we will be talking to you soon.
Yeah.
Bye.
Sounds good. Take care, you guys.
I think this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship. So, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.